and welcome to my channel, The Data Dude. Today we are going to see the conditional statements. So, what is conditional statements? Conditional statements is basically holds a condition. If that condition is true, then what you want to do. If that condition will go false, then what you want to do. So that is the basic concept of our conditional statements. So conditional statement can be written in many ways. So let's see how we can write them. First thing is if condition, then it's statement. So if condition we can write here, then the statement what we want to do. So let's see a very basic example. A equal to 100, b equal to 200. So if condition b greater than a, then semicolon, enter, and print the statement. So we are going to print that b is greater than a. So as you can see, b is equals to 200 and a is equals to 100. Hence b is greater than a, and hence we print b. This condition holds true and the statement is run by the machine, which is v is greater than a. There is one other type of conditional statements, like if we can see, if condition statement else statement. So this is the second type of if statement, in which like okay, let's see by an example. Okay, so okay, a equal to n dot. In this example, we take a variable a in which we want to input a integer value or a number, and if a divided by 2 and the remainder gives 0, that means it's a even number, so we want to print even number. Else I want to print odd number. So let's run this. 6, I have write down, enter, it's a even number. So that's a basic example of if else condition. Third one is if condition statement elif second condition statement and final condition, which is else, and statement. So in this, if we have multiple conditions, then you will use if elif else ladder. We generally called it a ladder. So let's see an example of this as well. Let's see, a equals to 200, b equals to 30. Now let me write an example, a conditional statement. If b is greater than a, then print b is greater than a, else if elif elif's full form is else if. So elif a is equals to b, then print a and b are equal, else print a is greater than b. Let me write it. Sorry, let me run it. Hence, the answer is a is greater than b, because the first condition hold false, which is b greater than a. The second condition holds false because a is not equals to b. Hence, the third condition is run, and the final statement is printed that a is greater than b. So you can try many more examples, like you can, how can you grade the students if there is some numbers which is less than that, then a is less than 75, then b less than 50, then c. You can try different conditional statements. For the conditional statements, that's it from my side. Thank you so much.